Hey guys, so this is the PowerArmor X11, a new budget rugged phone from Ulefone. The Pro version of this phone is out already. It was released a few months ago, so this is just the standard version. And of course, I'll be comparing this version with the Pro version just to point out the differences and similarities. So let's quickly talk about the top features of this phone. So this is a budget phone. I don't know the exact price, but it is expected to be very cheap. It weighs 330 grams. The device packs a huge battery which contributes to its weight. The battery capacity is 8150 mAh and it supports 10 watts charging, which is very slow for such a huge battery, guys. Very slow. Just like its much more expensive peers, this device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military standard A10H certified. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the Helio A22, a low-end MediaTek processor, which is capable of handling basic tasks on a daily basis. And in terms of memory, the device has 4GB RAM. I believe the RAM is expandable, and its internal storage is 32GB, which is also expandable up to 256GB via SD. The phone has a 5.45-inch HD Plus display, and it is said to have an oleophobic coating which helps prevent fingerprint smudges. As for the cameras, the device features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 16MP primary sensor followed by a depth sensor. The front-facing camera is 5MP. Now this device runs on the Android 13 operating system, which is very good, and it's one of the reasons why it's better than the Pro version, because the Pro version runs on the Android 12 operating system. Now it seems this device doesn't support a fingerprint scanner, but it supports face unlock. So other features of this device includes Bluetooth 5.0, it supports NFC, and on the right side is a power button and volume keys. The other side, the device has a customizable key and there's a SIM and SD card slot. The device also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, dual speakers, which is very good, LED notification light, and so on like that. So this is the Ulefone PowerArmor X11. The device is expected to be sold for, I believe, $150. I don't know the exact price, but I believe this device would cost less than $200. It's one of the cheap rugged phones in the market, so if you just want to try out a rugged phone, you might want to try this device out if you want. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about the PowerArmor X11, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.